Next, we will create the rules for our pipes and for our structures. For the pipe rules, still at the settings tab, we'll go to the pipe and we'll expand the pipe rule set. Here, I want to create a pipe rule set, a new pipe rule set. I don't want to use the existing one. I go to pipe rule set, right click, I click on new. I can call it that. And I go to the rules tab and I add a rule. So this doesn't change. So do not worry about it saying storm sewer. That's okay. That's just a category. But the rule name, I want to cover and slope. I want to have one of the rules as cover and slope. I click OK. And now here I can expand and change the parameters. So a minimum slope, 1%, that's fine. Or we can change it to something smaller, 0.05. Now 0.5 maximum. And then minimum cover, let's have it at 1 meter. We cannot have our minimum cover at 3 meters, that is too deep. Maximum cover, let's have it at 5 meters. Okay, let's add another rule for our pipes. Let's do a length check. And here we'll go by our defaults. So the maximum length is that. So here are the manuals that you have. The manuals from your country concerning maximum and minimum lengths will govern what you will key in here. Let's just go with the defaults here. Let's see whether we can add any other rule. Pipe to pipe match. I don't want to add any other rules. We just click on that. I'm okay with that, with those two rules for my pipes. And once we finish that, we can see our rule set here. Now let's create a rule set for our structures or our manholes. I come to the structure, expand it, and I go to structure rule set, expand also. Click on the structure rule set name and then click on new. I change its name. And then I go to the rules tab, I add the rules. Pipe drop across structure. Across the structure, do you want our pipes to drop? Let's just see. I don't want our pipes to drop. Or you can have a drop value, a very small value. This is 1 centimeter. Okay, maximum drop value. Okay. And then next, set sump depth. I don't want our manholes to have a sump because it can create some dead storage. So sump depth is 0. And we are done with our rules for the structures as well. And as you can see here, they're now populated. So next, we'll create the network and we'll use our rule set and our previously created path list.